Hi everyone! Kung kayo po ay interesado sa mga tarot cards and oracle cards, binibenta ko po ang iba kong mga pre-love, tarot, and oracle decks. Lahat po yon ay original and authentic. I-check nyo na lang ang mga available na cards sa aking Shopee. And also, kung gusto nyong mag-manifest ng good luck, protection, love, money, and healing, I'm also selling power bracelets na matutulungan kayong ma-manifest ang inyong mga desires. Nakalagay na po siya sa pouch, may kasamang instruction leaflet at extra string. Available in Lazada, Shopee, and TikTok Shop. Check them out. Links on the description. Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for August 14 to 20, 2023. This is a general reading so maaari kayong makarelate. Maaring hindi, just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus ninyo para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much po sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, Virgo, that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, so let's see your overall energy for this week. You have the Ace of Wands. This is a new opportunity, like inspired action to. So maaring meron ka na ngayong lakas ng loob na simulan, gawin yung mga plano mo. You are also studying and learning something. So, I think it's time, no? You are ready. You are ready to take that challenge sa buhay mo. So, speaking of challenge, ano ang challenge? You have the Seven of Pentacles. Your challenge is patience. Kung paano ka magiging mas matyaga na maghintay nung mga resulta ng mga itinanim mo, no? Especially nung mga nasimulan mo before, pwede tong sa mga investments mo, sa business mo, or even yung effort na binibigay mo para sa yung career, sa yung trabaho. So, you just need more patience. Your opportunity is the Chariot. Wow. So, things are going to move forward. Okay? So, this is an opportunity na mag-speed up yung hinihintay mo. Kailangan mo lang talaga ng patience. Kasi kapag ito ay nakuha mo na, no, let's say may hinihintay kang papeles, may hinihintay kang email, may hinihintay kang pera. So, magbabago na yung yung pananaw mo kapag dumating na yon. So, di ba, tayo pag may hinihintay, naiirita tayo na bakit kasi ganito, ganyan, tagal-tagal. Pero pag nakuha na natin yon, lahat ng frustration natin, nawawala. Kasi, nakuha na natin yung gusto natin eh. So, for you, you have the opportunity to move forward, to be successful in whatever na pinupurso mo sa buhay. No? So, your blessing is the Hermit. So, this is you self-assess. Ina-assess mo yung sarili mo. Some of you are nagkakaroon ng self-reflection, and yung iba, meron kayong mga iiwasan na tao na alam nyong hindi na sila magandang impluwensya sa inyo in achieving your goals and dreams. Kasi minsan, sila yung nagiging sagabal, or instead na ginagawa mo na yung pangarap mo or nagsispeed up na yung success sa buhay mo, bumabagal siya kasi sila yung maaring nagdi-discourage sa'yo, or yung influence nila sa'yo is not that good para ma-pump up ka or ma-inspire ka. Ganon. So, choose your friends wisely and also the people na ipapalibot mo sa sarili mo. Okay? You also have the Emperor. So, this is being in control of your life, planning things ahead, and having the discipline. Yung disiplina na kailangan mo para magawa mo na yung mga plano mo. So, yung iba sa inyo, you are also going to consult or ask for guidance, no, galing sa mga tao na naging successful na. Kasi 'di ba, pag meron tayong gustong matutunan, malaman, tatanungin ba natin 'yan sa kapwa natin estudyante? So syempre kailangan tanungin mo 'yan doon sa teacher, doon sa mentor na kung saan mas alam nila, no? Kung ano yung makakabuti for you at kung saan ka mas magiging saan ka mas magi-improve. And there's nothing wrong sa paghingi ng tulong or pagtatanong, 'di ba? What is the Seven of Pentacles? Ace of Swords. This is clarity. This is also the key to your success. So I think yung sinasabi rito na patience is the key to your success. Kailangan lang you have that courage to wait and see, and kumbaga hintayin mo na magbunga yung mga itinanim mo. Kasi definitely, bubunga rin naman yan kung inaalagaan mo. And this is also a knowledge na meron kang bagong ma-unlock na kaalaman na tutulong sa'yo sa pagpapaunlad mo sa sarili mo. You also have the Star. Oh my G. So this is your opportunity. You have the opportunity to finally achieve your goals and dreams. And this is also about healing. Healing from your past mistakes. Healing from yung mga napagdaanan mo na hirap sa buhay. So you are going to use that as an inspiration para pagbutihin pa. Your blessing, wow, as a blessing is the Queen of Pentacles. This is about financial stability, financial security, and the resources that you need. So I think for some of you, Virgo, yung, alam mo yung magtatrabaho ka ng tahimik lang. Oo, merong ganong trend na hindi mo ipopost, parang sa ghosting in a way na pagdating sa social media na for a certain period of time, let's say 6 months, 1 year, ikaw magsaset nun, or 2 years, hindi ka mag-update sa social media kung ano nang nangyayari sa buhay mo, like yung mga achievements mo. Tapos biglang gugulatin mo na lang sila na nakuha mo na yung inaasam-asam mo, or successful ka na, or may na-achieve ka na. Unlike yung dati na halimbawa, nagsisimula ka ng negosyo, post ka ng post na ito yung progress, yada, yada, yada. So, nagiging updated yung mga tao, and minsan nakaka-attract kasi yan ng mga evil eyes, no? So, for some of you, ganun yung gagawin nyo. You are going to work in silence. At working in silence is going to work for you. Magbe-benefit ka dun. Okay, so you also have waterfall. Itong waterfall is letting go of the things that are no longer serving your highest good. Okay? It's time to let go of the old and para pumasok yung new, 'di ba? And this is also transformation and bringing new opportunities sa iyong life. So, yeah, with the Ace of Wands, you are bringing new opportunities sa buhay mo. You also have the Ray of Light. So, this is clarity in your situation. This is focus. Ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na working in silence, you're going to focus on your goal at hindi kayo titigil hanggat hindi nyo na-achieve yan. At isang beses, magugulat na lang ang mga taong kakilala nyo na, wow, ito na pala yung, ang layo na pala ng narating nyo. So, sa money, career, finances, you have adaptability. So this is Moon in Gemini in the 3rd house. 3rd house is about learning, communication. The Moon is your feelings, your care, your nurturing energy. So I think yung mga talents and skills mo, pangangalagaan mo yan eh. At yung isa sa paraan na pangangalaga mo sa talents and skills mo is to always improving yourself. Na hindi porket maalam ka na sa isang bagay, tapos na. Siyempre, nag-evolve yan. And ikaw, sumasabay ka sa evolution. You also have Jupiter and Libra in the 7th house. I see you partnering with some people. Pwedeng business partnership ito. Or related to sa mga business ng family ninyo. And there's a lot of blessings. Yung iba sa inyo, you will be connecting sa mga, international affairs like business sa ibang bansa, or yung kliyente nyo nasa ibang bansa. You have Saturn and Leo. So, Saturn is about discipline. So, I think mas didisiplinahan mo yung sarili mo na mag-focus sa goals mo, sa pagpapa-improve, no? Sa expansion ng iyong career, ng iyong trabaho, ng iyong finances. Related sa creativity mo. So, you're going to be very creative. Sa relationship naman, you have the moon in Sagittarius, ninth house, and sun in Pisces in the 12th house. You're looking for a relationship or commitment na malalim. Hindi siya yung mga ano lang, fling-fling. You're very serious in your relationship. Meron ka mang relationship ngayon o wala, I think you are gearing towards a deeper relationship or may meaning na relationship for you. See, you have the North Node, which is about your future, your destiny. You have Aries in the third house. Third house is being open sa communication mo, expression mo rin to. And I think you're going to be more aggressive in a good way pagdating sa mga gusto mo. Like, example, sasabihin mo talaga kung ano yung gusto mo. Wala nang paligoy-ligoy para clear, no? Clear yung message na pinararating mo sa person that you are dealing with. You are letting go of yourself. Tinatanggal mo na yung limitations. If beating yourself up, work you'd be thin, rich, and happy, try loving yourself instead. Yes, you are loving yourself first. That's why you are trying new things. You are removing the limitations. And you are going to shine. Wow. Don't dim your light. The world needs your unique talents and gifts. Shine brightly. Oh, 'di ba? Ayun na nga nag-enhance na nga kayo ng skills ninyo and talents ninyo. That's why you're going to shine even brighter. Okay? So that is your reading, Virgo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Virgo. See you again.